An action that in a full year appropriations bill, it didn't meet.
Get 6 inch on white, please.
Here.
It's on one
The
side.
end of the world.
Yeah.
It's a tuna meltdown. Anything going on?
Quiet.
Really quiet. We're down quiet in your corner?
Yeah.
Good.
Yep.
Hi. A wrap, a tuna wrap. Tuna wrap on, do you have a jalapeno cheddar? Whatever easy.
Jalapeno cheddar?
Whatever you got.
Okay. You want cheese on it?
Just a little bit of mayonnaise and provolone cheese. Can I get 4 slices of cheese?
That's fine.
Okay.
You said provolone?
Provolone.
What else on it?
Tomato, spinach, little peppers, little pickles, and that's it. Give it a good shot of tomato. Good.
Some pickles and what else?
All the shakers and the